Understanding the phrase, bar bill, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a common English phrase, bar bill. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding these everyday phrases can really boost your fluency and confidence in English. So, let's dive in. The phrase, bar bill, refers to the amount of money owed for drinks and sometimes food purchased at a bar. It's a compound noun, combining bar, which is a place where alcoholic drinks are served, and bill, which means a statement of charges or costs. When someone talks about a bar bill, they are referring to the total cost of their purchases at the bar. Understanding a phrase also involves knowing how to use it in a sentence. Here are a few examples. 1. After a long night, they asked the bartender for the bar bill. 2. She was surprised at how high the bar bill had gotten. 3. They decided to split the bar bill among themselves. In these sentences, bar bill is used to denote the final charge for services at a bar. In many English-speaking countries, particularly in social settings, the bar bill can be a topic of discussion or even a social convention. For example, in some cultures, it's common for one person to pick up the bar bill as a gesture of hospitality or friendship. In other contexts, friends might split the bar bill to share the cost equally. Understanding these cultural nuances helps in not just knowing the language, but also in grasping social norms and practices. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding what bar bill means and how it's used in everyday English. Remember, mastering a language includes learning its phrases and their contexts. Keep practicing, and you'll find yourself becoming more and more fluent every day. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.